Let me start with the truth most people don't want to hear. Your biggest problem is not your face, it's not your body, it's not your height, your money, your skin, or your genetics. Your biggest problem is the way you talk to yourself when no one is listening. That voice in your head, the one that says you are not enough, others are better than you. Why even try? You will fail anyway. That voice is not reality. It's not intuition. It's not honesty. It's mental conditioning. And most of you are conditioned. It's not mental conditioning. And most of you are conditioned to lose. And the worst part, you treat that voice like it's telling like a truth. Today, I am not here to comfort you. I am here to comfort you. Because positive thinking is not being delusional or fake happy. It's about taking control of your mind instead of letting it sabotage you. This video is about why affirmation actually works when done correctly, why gratitude is not weakness but leverage, and why if you don't fix your mindset, Looksmaxxing will never save you. Section 1. Your inner voice is trained and it's trained against you. Let me ask you something. Be honestly. If someone spoke to you the way you speak to yourself, would you tolerate it? Think about it. You wake up and your mind grows. You look tired, you look bad, you are falling behind. Others are winning. You are stuck. That's not self-awareness, that's self-bullying. And here's the brutal truth. Most people are not insecure because they are ugly. They are insecure because they practice insecurity daily. You repeat that same thought every mirror check, every scroll on Instagram, every comparison, every small failure. And reputation is how the brain learns. Your mind does not care if its thoughts is true. It only cares if it's repeated. So when you say, I'm not good enough, I will never be confident, I will always lose, your brain goes, got it. This is the identity. Section 2. Affirmation. Why most people do them wrong. Now let's talk about affirmation. Most people hear affirmation and immediately think that's cringe, that's fake, that's delusional. No. What delusional is repeating negative thoughts for years and expecting confidence magically appear. Affirmation are not magic words. They are counter programming. Think of your brain like a playlist. If you have been playing your week, you are behind, you are not attractive for 10 to 15 years. Do you really think one gym session or one haircut will fix that? No. Affirmation works only when they are consistent and embodied. When I started, I did not believe a single word. I was saying, I'm confident, I'm disciplined, I'm improving every day. My brain fought back, no, you are not. Stop lying, look at your past. But I kept going because confidence is not built believing first. It's built by repetition first, believe later. How to use affirmation properly, not like a clown. Here's how most people mess it up. They say affirmation once feels stupid and quiet. Wrong approach. Do this instead. Speak in the present tense. Not I will be the confident. Say I act with confidence even when I feel fear. Tie it to behavior, not I'm successful. Say I show up every day and do the work. Number 3, say it when resistance appear. That resistance means you are touching something real. If your affirmation don't trigger discomfort, they are too weak. Section 3. Gratitude. why it humiliates your ego, and that's good. Now let's talk about gratitude, and let me be clear. Gratitude is not be happy with what you have and stop wanting more. That's a lie. Real gratitude does thing. It removes entitlement and replaces it with grounded confidence. When you are insecure, your mind is obsessed with what I lack, what other have, what's missing. Gratitude flips the land. And no, it does not make you complacent. It makes you mentally stable. Here's what happens when I started gratitude. I realized I was not actually behind in life. I was just impatient. I was not unattractive. I was just hypercritical. I was not feeling, I was building. Gratitude does not make you weak. It makes you less desperate. And desperation is the most unattractive energy on earth. Simple gratitude practice. No spiritual drama. Every night write one thing you did well, one thing you are grateful for, one thing you are improving tomorrow. That's it. This trains your brain to notice progress, respects effort, stay forward focused. Section 4. Looksmaxxing fails without mindset. Now let's be honest, you can hit the gym, dress better, improve your hair, optimize your body, but if your mind is still saying they are better than me, I don't belong, I'm not enough, you will still walk in the room with insecure. Looksmaxxing without mindset is just polishing insecurity. Confidence is what pulls everything together. Posture, eye contact, voice, presence. And confidence is not loud, it's calm, certainly. That certainty comes from internal enlightenment, not validation. Section 5. First impression. The part people lie. Let's talk pretending. First impression matter. People judge fast. Life is not fair. But here's what they don't tell you. People don't judge your feature first, they judge your energy first. How you walk, how you post before speaking, how comfortable you are in your own skin. That discomfort is built internally. When you have done the work, mental discipline, affirmation, gratitude, self-respect, rituals, you don't need to do anything. And that's what makes people respect you. Section 6. Why most people never change. Here's the hard truth. Most people watch self-improvement, save videos, agree in comments, and change nothing. Why? Because changing your mindset means admitting your thoughts and holding you back, taking responsibility, letting go of victim identity, and the ego hits that. But if you are watching this far, you are not most people. Starting today, pick one affirmation, repeat it daily, even when final challenge, non-negotiable. Starting today. Number 1. Number 2, write one gratitude point every night. Number 3, do one action that aligns with the person you want to become. No waiting for motivation, no waiting for confidence. Action first, believe later. Your mind is either your biggest assets or your biggest enemy. No gym, no skincare routine, no glow up will save you if you kept mentally betraying yourself. Talk to yourself like someone you are responsible for becoming. Talk to yourself like someone you are responsible for becoming. This is part 22. We are not here to feel good. We are here to become better. Stay disciplined, stay sharp, and I will see you in the part 23.